Hey guys, so today I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm kind of I'm kind of tired because I just got back from California and I was really tired from the sun and just running around going in the water because some of you may know I'm from Arizona and it's really hot and I don't have an ocean so I can't go in there. I also I like to ride my scooter there, which is really tiring, and it's hard to do here when it's hot. So that's part of the reason I'm tired. But today, I don't know what I'm going to do, as I said, but I think I'm probably going to look in my closet or just look around and think of some ideas for a little bit. And once I find something, I'll get back to you guys. So I was just got done looking through my closet, and I actually found this remote control car right there. So I was wondering if I could drive it for a video or whatever. But first I have to charge the remote control car because it's dead because I haven't really drove it in a while. So that's part of the reason why it's dead. So I'm going to charge it and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so the remote control car is currently done charging, but I I was gonna, instead of just driving this for you guys, I was gonna get the scooter ramps that we have from our garage, because some of you may know that I like scootering, but I haven't made a video about that yet. But maybe I can in the future. But I was gonna use those ramps, but first I need help getting them out. So I have to wait for someone to help me because they're really heavy. So, and it's kind of stuck in the wrong spot. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm outside with the ramp and the cars. I might do it in my backyard or my front yard. But yeah, hopefully I can get some good jumps off of it. The ramp isn't the biggest ramp, but it's still pretty cool. It's movable also. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, so I'm out here in the garage. I got the RC right there. I'm not even sure if it's fully charged, but hopefully it is. And also, real quick, I forgot to mention, this is my second vlog. So the first one didn't do very well. Hopefully this one will. It's kind of going to be, it's a little bit different. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I have that ramp out on the driveway and jump in the car. So yeah. Okay guys, so we have the ramps out and they're pretty decent size, and we also got the RC here. So I'm gonna set you guys down and start trying to do some jumps. I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but depends. Okay. No, I gotta keep the remote. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this around so it doesn't end up hitting my garage. And so it goes onto the street. Okay, there we go. Oh, and there's a flip. So that did not work out. But let's try it again. That was an okay jump. I can do a little better. these ramps were more steep. That was an epic wipeout. That was a huge wipeout right there. Just like, literally when you go full speed, the thing lifts up unless you go slow first, which is what I was trying to do, but that didn't really work out. So the controls are a little bit messed up. It goes a little bit the wrong way, but that's okay. We can still manage to get this in. That was probably the coolest one. It was about to like lift up right when it hit the ramp, or when I was there. Whoa. So that was really weird. It kind of lifted up when it went over the ramp. So, yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay, so that's probably gonna be it for this jump, or for this remote control car session. I hope you guys liked this. If you did, make sure to share with your friends so we can hit 60 views and 5 likes, and do this again, part 2. And maybe next time it'll be like even like a different ramp. Maybe if we like in California, like in the sand, we can make a ramp. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to drop a like and share with your friends. And yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, so I'm really sweaty right now. I think it's just from being out in the sun. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. And I already mentioned this, but if you want to see part 2 of this, make sure to
smash that like button
and share with your friends so this can get to 60 views and 5 likes. So yeah, roll the outro.